What's up, Tech Hangs? Stefan here from TechRight. First and foremost, I want to give a huge shout to Team Pixel for sending out this package, which I'm pretty sure this holds the new Pixel 4 or 4 XL. So super excited about that, but I just want to give a huge shout to Made by Google and Team Pixel. Really appreciate you guys. Let's go ahead and check this out. Let's go ahead and take a look at the note that they sent us that's on top. So we have a little Google emblem on here. Let's go ahead and take this out. So we have a little letter written to me. It says, "Hi Stefan, we're excited to introduce you the latest from Google. Our mission is to build a more helpful Google for everyone. That means giving people the tools to increase their knowledge, success, health, and happiness. It also means partnering with organizations to help people grow their skills, careers, or businesses. To that end, along with a gift to you, you're also supporting local Boys and Girls Club with tools and training to help teens learn valuable job skills for today and tomorrow. It's all part of the Help Made the Google Way. We hope you'll share your experience by tagging us." So I thought that was really cool right there. And it says, "Say hi to your new Google Pixel 4. So obviously it shows us that we got the Pixel 4. So let's go ahead and unbox this now. So under this, we have a little package right here. It says, "Making Help Magical, hashtag Made by Google." Let's go ahead and put that aside. And now let's go ahead and open up the box. So first and foremost, we have the box on the top, and this is going to be the Google Pixel 4 XL. So that's awesome. So let's go ahead and put that to the side. Next box we got right here is the Pixel 4 XL case. And that's all we have inside of here. We have some other messages if you guys want to go ahead and pause and read those. But that was really cool packaging from Google. Good stuff. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and take the case out. And this is kind of like a gray and salmon colored case. Really like this case. Super nice case, and this is for the Pixel 4 XL. So they give me the XL. Huge shout to them because I have huge hands. Last time I got the smaller one, and I am super grateful that I got the bigger one this time just because I have big hands. And look at this right here. We got that little salmon or orange accent on the gray case. I thought that was really cool. I definitely think that Google makes the best first party cases. In my opinion, they just look really dope and they're never too thick or bulky. And next we have the phone. So let's go ahead and take the top off. And this is the clearly white color. I'm definitely super happy that I got this color. The colors that I wanted the most were the orange one and this one. So let's go ahead and put this to the side. I believe the three colors were just black, clearly white, and the oh so orange. So that's kind of cool. I definitely like the white though. Definitely like that white. Next thing we have in the box is, looks like our instruction manual and our SIM card ejector tool. So we have our user guide right there and some other safety and warranty stuff. Next thing we have here is our Type-C to Type-C data cable. I love that Google ditched the USB 2.0, so that's really nice to see. We also have our transferring dongle. And last but not least, we have our hefty wall charger right here. So finally, just taking a look at the back of the phone. Back of the phone feels so nice, and we're not going to see those fingerprints like we do on other glossy phones. Shout out to the people with the black glossy back for the Pixel 4 or the 4 XL. I definitely do not envy that back. I love these matte backs right here. They're super nice and they're sexy. Right side of the phone, we have our volume up and down rocker, and we also have an orange accent power button right there, which I love. Bottom of the phone, we have our speakers, and in the middle, we have our USB Type-C port. Left side of the phone, we have our SIM tray. Top of the phone, we have our noise canceling mic. Back of the phone, we also have our camera setup. We have the flash below everything. We also have our main camera, which is actually a 12.2 megapixel camera. This has dual pixel phase detection. It has an f1.7 aperture and a 77-degree field of view. For our telephoto camera, we have a 16 megapixel camera with phase detection and an f2.4 aperture, and we have a 52-degree field of view. Now let's go ahead and turn on the phone. And first and foremost, for a display, I'm pretty sure a lot of you know this by now, but for the Pixel 4 XL, we have a 6.3-inch QHD Plus screen, and that's going to be a 537 ppi. Also, the new thing we have on here is a 90 Hz display, so we're going to have a smoother experience through the UI and everything else. The screen's going to look much better. We're going to have that 19:9 aspect ratio, and we also have automatic color adjustment, so that's great. The screen looks amazing, to be quite honest. It's one of the best screens I've seen on a phone other than a Samsung device, but compared to other phones from Google in the past, this screen is pretty exceptional. Now for our selfie camera, we have an 8 megapixel selfie camera, and we also have our headset in the middle. So first impressions of this phone, I have to say, definitely love the Pixel 4 XL so far. I'm super excited to put it up against other phones such as the iPhone 11, maybe the OnePlus 7 Pro or the OnePlus 7 Pro T. Really excited about this phone, and I have really good feelings about this device. I will most definitely make many more videos on this device. I'm going to be doing the review probably later next week, so super hyped about that. Obviously, we have the Snapdragon 855 processor in here, so we get the newest processor in this device as well. And yeah, if you guys are excited about this device, definitely put it in the comments down below as well. I just want to give another huge shout out to Team Pixel. Really appreciate you guys. Also, shout out to Mark Gwim. I really appreciate him as well. And yeah, if you guys want to see the full review on this device, definitely hit the subscribe button down below, as well as hitting the notification bell if you guys want to be notified for every new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.